The Lok Sabha session that is convened, Prime Minister Modi to move the motion that Om Birla again will be the chosen Speaker of the House, and this is likely to be at about 11 a.m. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, BJP's Lok Sabha MP, will second the motion, so that's going to be the protocol today. After Prime Minister Modi, other ministers and NDA leaders, that means will move the motion as well. But will it be as easy? Possibly for the NDA this time as it has been for the past 10 years, or the opposition is also ready with their candidate. Piyush Mishra joining me this morning on the latest on the phone line. Piyush, good morning. So after pro tem speaker showdown, because that was a temporary position, official position also is going to be discussed. But is it Modi 3.0 and Om Birla 2.0?
Well, certainly it's going to be Om Birla 2.0 and in Modi 2.0 it will be Narendra Modi who will be moving the motion to appoint the Om Birla, to elect the Om Birla as the member of the House and be chosen as the Speaker of the House. And after the PM Modi moves the motion, Rajnath Singh will second the motion. After that, other leaders, other NDA allies like Lalan Singh, Jitaram Manti and other leaders of BJP, Amit Shah and Chirag Paswan, H.D. Kumaraswamy, they all will be supporting the motion, and the motion so this shows as to how the entire NDA is standing and speaking in one voice, and they have supported the nomination papers also from Om Birla. So it will be PM Narendra Modi who will be moving the motion first, and that will be seconded by Rajnath Singh, and then other leaders of BJP and NDA will do the same thing. After the election of Speaker of the House, we will see the introduction of Council of Ministers. But as far as the Speaker of Lok Sabha is concerned, election of Speaker of Lok Sabha is concerned, we are now seeing as to how the opposition has also fielded its candidate, K. Suresh. They are also of the view that when they were not given the post of Deputy Speaker now, they should be contesting the elections for Lok Sabha Speaker. So at around 11 a.m., it will be PM Narendra Modi who will be moving the motion for the election of Speaker of Lok Sabha, and he will propose the name of Om Birla for the same.
Piyush, keep tracking all the latest coming in at this point and stay on with me, because the fact is that today is going to be very significant. Remember, Speaker's position, the one who in many ways is considered to be the head of the House at that time and who decides how the session is run. And that's why it's important as much for the NDA as for the India bloc. Now, there is a showdown already between NDA candidate Om Birla and Congress candidate from Kerala, K. Suresh. India bloc, however, appears to be already split on this issue. TMC General Secretary and now Member of Parliament Abhishek Banerjee claimed that Congress did not even contact the TMC, which is an ally of the India bloc, before they decided to field K. Suresh, even though he is one of the senior most members with regard to the India bloc. Now, he is the opposition speaker candidate, but Abhishek Banerjee called this move, as it appears, as a unilateral decision too, that possibly it will have the consensus. NCP chief also Sharad Pawar confirmed that that they have not yet spoken with anybody in context with the choice, but it does appear that the Deputy Speaker, because he's experienced, as has been a pattern, that has gone to the opposition party. Now, a total of 13 top NDA leaders, meanwhile, starting with Prime Minister Modi, proposed Om Birla's name for the Speaker's position. On the other side, there was K. Suresh, who met at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence with other senior leaders. And this time, remember, India bloc wants to ensure at every opportunity, because of their higher numbers, that they put forth their candidates, their views at a showdown.
देखिए, ये कोई पार्टी का तो पद है नहीं, ये सांसद का होल का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर जो बहुमत है उसकी बात को माननी चाहिए सबको। यहाँ के लोग चाह रहे हैं कि डिप्टी स्पीकर का पहले ही कमिटमेंट हो जाए, लेकिन इधर से कहा गया है कि स्पीकर का बात आज है, स्पीकर का बात कर लीजिए, जब डिप्टी स्पीकर की बात होगी तो बैठ करके तय कर लेंगे। इस पर शायद उन लोग नहीं मान रहे हैं और इसीलिए हो सकता है कल मत विभाजन हो।
देखिए, अभी उन लोग अभी नया सब पाए हैं तो थोड़ा सा देख रहे हैं, बहुत आवाज़ें, बहुत बदमाशियाँ, सब कुछ चल रही हैं, सदन की मर्यादा भी मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे हैं। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं, हमारे स्पीकर, क्योंकि हमारे पास अच्छा मार्जिन है, वो जीतेंगे और कल्याण होता रहेगा इस भारत का, गरीबों का कल्याण होता रहेगा।
दिलचस्प है कि शायद ही एक ही दो बार इतिहास में हुआ है स्वतंत्र भारत के कि स्पीकर की पोस्ट को लेके एक कॉन्टेस्ट हुआ हो, मुकाबला हुआ हो। इस बार ये आप लोग कह रहे हैं, आप लोग आरोप लगा रहे हैं, तो सत्ता पक्ष भी आरोप लगा रहा है उल्टा कि आप लोग एक शर्त के तौर पर इस स्पीकर पर समर्थन दे रहे थे और इस तरह से आप मानने को तैयार नहीं है। इस तरह का आरोप विपक्ष लगा रहा है,
देखिए
सत्ता पक्ष लगा रहा है।
वो भी तो एक शर्त है कि बिना शर्त के बातें होने चाहिए, तो वो भी तो सत्ता पक्ष अपने तरीके से एक शर्त लगा रहा है। तो यही तो बातचीत होती है, यही तो सहमति होती है कि हमें विभिन्न जो मांगे हैं हर सभी को साथ लगा लेके जाना है, तो सभी की सुननी पड़ेगी। ये नहीं हो सकता कि वो अध्यक्ष पद का उम्मीदवार भी वही बोलेंगे और बातचीत का ढंग क्या होगा, बातचीत का रूप क्या होगा, बातचीत के नियम क्या होंगे, वो भी वही बताएंगे। इस प्रकार से बातचीत नहीं होती।
पर जैसे टीएमसी है, अभिषेक बैनर्जी ने कहा कि कांग्रेस का अपना यूनिलैटरल डिसीजन था, ममता बनर्जी इस पर फैसला लेंगी। क्या बाकी इंडिया ब्लॉक के दल साथ में आएंगे कि सुरेश के समर्थन में?
निश्चय हमें सारे इंडिया अलायंस के विभिन्न बड़े बड़े नेताओं के साथ विचार विमर्श करके हम आने वाले समय में अपनी बात रखेंगे और एक ठोस कदम लेंगे।
In my opinion, that was rather churlish and petty on part of the government. And convention also says that the deputy speaker would be given to the opposition bloc. But they ran a parliament last time in the 17th Lok Sabha without a deputy speaker. And now I think the dialogue between the government and the opposition has fallen through because the government is adamant about not giving them the deputy speaker. So they're not really following constitutional parliamentary precedences. And that is why a contest has been forced upon us.
They should have considered for a compromise proposal. They have not considered our deputy speaker. See, previously, for the past 5 years, they have not given the opportunity to the opposition. At least even now, can't they give it? It's not good. It is not according to the customs and formalities.
भी मुझसे किसने बात नहीं की है, तो ये हमारा वो है कि हम किसके तरफ जाएंगे, इसका फैसला जो है हम ले लेंगे। लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा जरूरी है कि स्पीकर ऐसे हों कि जो सबको मौका दें। अगर स्पीकर मौका देंगे और अपने लोगों की बातें नहीं कहेंगे तो हमारे लोगों के मुद्दे यहाँ पहुंचेंगे कैसे और फिर उनके क्षेत्रों में काम कैसे होगा। जिन महान जनता ने हमें चुन के भेजा, मैं भारतीय लोकतंत्र का और भारत की महान जनता का धन्यवाद करता हूँ। जिन्होंने हमें चुन के भेजा, उनके मुद्दे उठाने का हमें समय मिलना चाहिए। इसलिए स्पीकर जो भी हो वो ऐसे हों कि सबको मौका दें।